Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Python tutorials. In this video, we will learn about what is Python and Python features in and also installing Python in Windows and also small program. Okay, just very basic introductions. Just theory part only we will see in this video. Okay, just what is Python here? Okay, Python is high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Okay. So in general, what is Python? Anybody in the interview question it is, if anybody asks it, you have to answer like this. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. And also it is a strong and dynamic type language. Python is a. I will come in a minute. So it was created by Guido van Rossum and first declared in 1991. Python is designed to be easy to learn and use, make it popular choice for both beginners and developers. Okay. What are the key features of Python here? What are the key features? Means readability, means easy to read. Python compared to other languages, Python is a very easily human readable, okay, and clear. And high level languages, Python is a interpreted language. Okay, it's not a compiled language. Interpreted languages means it executed line by an interpreter. Okay, it's not whereas if you take JavaScript or Java, it's the compiler executes at a time all the code, but in Python the interpreter executes line by line. Okay, and will converts the code into the machine understandable instructions at runtime. Okay, interpreter executes line by line and converts that line by line into the machine understandable instructions at runtime. Okay, interpreted language it is. Python is not a compiled language. Interpreter. Okay, dynamic typing. Okay, variables are not explicitly declared type with types. Okay, it's like a JavaScript. Dynamic typing means, and the types can change during runtime. This allows for flexible and expressive code. Okay, variables are not explicitly declared with types. Okay, and the types can change during runtime, because if you declare a type with you can declare a type as a number, and it can result that same type can be output in the string form. Okay, so you cannot variables are not explicitly declared with types, and the types can change during runtime. This allows for flexible and expressive code. Multi-paradigm, it's about multiple programming paradigms including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Extensive standard library, it has more. Python advantage of Python is that it has more libraries than any other languages. Okay, extensive standard libraries, various range of built-in modules and functions, making it easy to perform various tasks without retrieving the wheel. Cross-platform. Okay, Python code is portable across different platforms and operating systems thanks to interpreter-based nature. Large community. Python has a large community, so you can discuss resources, libraries, and you can share resources, libraries, and frameworks, whatever the frameworks available. Versatile use cases. There are so many use cases are there used in various applications here. Open source. It is an open source. Python is open source, meaning its source code is available to the public. They encourage collaboration and innovation in the Python ecosystem. Easy integration. Python can easily be integrated with other programming languages like C, C++, and Java, which make it valuable for building complex systems. Okay, easy integrating to the other languages. Okay, open source, versatile. Python is an interpreter languages. Execute line by line. Okay, it's a dynamic typing. Variables where variables explicit are not explicitly declared with types. If you take Java, Java is static typing. Okay, so we have to compulsory you have to declare a variable. Okay, there here declare a variable, and the variable cannot be changed. Okay, the variable value cannot be changed, but here you can change it. Okay, here variables are not explicitly declared with types, and their types can change during runtime. It's a dynamic typing, and also it's a strong typing. Okay, dynamic, strong, and dynamic typing. Python is. And Python popularity and use cases. Mostly nowadays Python is very useful, and most of them using Python developing because of the AI. Okay, because the extensive libraries are available in Python, so that it can be useful to the AI. Okay, Python has become go-to language for machine learning, artificial intelligence projects. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch allow us to create time complex machine learning models. Okay, so because of AI, Python has been being popular compared to other languages and demand now. So that's the reason most of the users taking Python basics. Okay, its readability, easy of learning, versatility, strong communication ecosystem, web development. These are the use popularity, okay, use cases and popularity, machine learning and AI, automation scripting. So you can go to theory part, these all things, okay, education, development, where the Python has widely used. Python versions, I will come in a minute what are the Python versions, and installing Python, okay, we will install Python in the Windows 7, okay. Now so visit, and first you have to visit this, okay, this link, click and download the latest version of Python for Windows. Run the installer checkbox that says add Python to path, okay, install during, okay. See, these are the official Python websites. Just a minute, it's coming. Yeah, if you want latest version, just click on this, or you can go to downloads, all releases, all active Python releases, okay, these are all releases, Python 3.1.11, okay, 3.7.7 older releases. So if you want, you can download it, okay. So I already downloaded, and okay, this Python 3.89 here. So just click on that one. So download the latest version. What is the latest version of Python? You can download it and run the installer. Check the box that says add Python. You have to add Python to the path, okay, like a Java. You can do manually, or you can just click on graphical user interface Python, okay. I'll in a minute I will tell you about that. Yep, run. Yeah, see here, click on add Python 3.8 to path, okay. I'm installing 3.8 version. Add, you have to click on this one, otherwise you can't practice program in command prompt, okay. You have to write it and just try to install now. That's it, okay. So by the meantime, we will see about the versions, okay. What are the Python versions? So Python has several versions that have been released over the years. First version is the Python 1. So in Python 1 first version, just it include basic data types, okay, functions, modules, like that. Python first versions. In 2.x series means some 2.0, 2.01, 2.0 like X series was widely used for many years. It included various releases such as 2, 2.7 and several updates in Python. Python 2 introduced features like comprehensive generators and decorators. Okay, comprehensive, we'll see in a minute what are this one later. And however, Python 2 reached end of on January 1, 2020, meaning it no longer receives official updates or official supports or updates. Here Python 3 latest update is the Python 3.1, Python 3.12 I think so. Python 3 has significant overall other languages aimed at addressing design flaws and inconsistencies in the Python 2. It introduced changes that were not backward compatible with Python 2, leading to transition period where both versions coexisted. Python 3x series is there. The latest one is the Python 3.12 I think so. Now the Python 3 series brought major improvement to the languages, including enhanced Unicode support, cleaner syntax, various new features, okay, and so on. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 like that. Up to the most recent release in the series Python 3.10. As my knowledge, 2021 2.10 is there, but 2023 3.12 I think so. Learning. Each Python 3.x add features, optimizations, improvements to the language and standard library. Some notable features introduced in the Python 3 series include improved Unicode handling, type hints and annotations, enhanced retrieval unpacking, syntax improvements, async and await, these are important, asynchronous programming, new standard library modules, and improvement to the existing ones. Okay, these are the main three versions are there, and latest one is the Python 3.x series, okay. 3.12 series, we are installing 3.8 I think so. 3.8. Installation is not a big deal in Python. You can easily install it, and you can practice in any integrated development environment. It's like a ID, Python IDE, Python integrated development like VS Code, okay, whatever like that one. We will see in a minute what we will install in the VS Code as well. Visual Studio Code again, right? And Yep, and in Mac OS you have to use install like this, pre-install Python like that. Okay. In Linux you have to use sudo permission apt and often get update and install Python 3 in Linux terminal. Okay, Linux operating systems. Installing IDE, integrated development environment, PyCharm, Visual Studio, Spider, IDLE. IDLE is a Python official IDE, integrated development environment. It comes with Python installation only. And Jupyter Net Notebook Lab. In Jupyter Notebook Lab, we have to use pip. Okay, peripheral integrated writing. So pip means pip install. Launch Jupyter Notebook using the command Jupyter Notebook here. Okay, first program we'll use in Visual Studio Code, and also we'll see first program we'll see in the Windows CMD also. Command prompt. Okay, installation. Yeah, it's coming in a minute. And we'll see some popular use cases. By readability and ease of learning, Python clean and readable syntax resembles English, making its great choice for beginning and experienced programming. Like its simplicity allows developers to focus on solving problems rather than dealing with complex syntax. Ease of learning, readability is very easy. In Python is very easy compared to the languages, understandable. Okay, and if you take Java, so you can't understand the code. Okay, but in Python you can understand very easily. So that's the reason Python has extensive libraries. Versatility. Python can be used a wide range of applications. Versatility. Yeah, setup was successful. Close. Go to command prompt. Okay, go to command prompt here. CMD. Right. Check Python version. If you want to check Python version, just Python ---- version. Yeah, 3.89 means it's installed. If we give in any other thing than this in version, it means you did not install in the Windows one. Okay, so Python version. You can go to the Python terminal as well, like this with me. Python, okay, and just print normal program. Okay, print statement. Using print statement used to give output to the console. Okay, welcome to Python. Whatever. Okay, welcome to Python. Yeah, just welcome to Python. It's a small program. Okay, so you can use CM command prompt also. You can practice Python, or you can practice in there is Python 3.8 IDLE. Okay, IDLE is there. You can practice in IDLE also. Okay, here also you can practice same print welcome to Python. Just normal program. Okay, simple program. Okay, welcome to Python. Okay, just IDLE. You can practice in IDLE as well. Also you can practice in Visual Studio Code. Okay, in Visual Studio Code I have created one new file. Okay, and Python files ends with .py extension here. Okay, so as usual in HTML files ends with HTML extension, CSS files ends with CSS extension, JavaScript with .js extension, like that. Okay, in Python ends with .py extension here. Okay, I already created here print hello, and also you have to add interpreter. Okay, extensions. Go to Python. I already installed Python here, but just go here. Go to Python here. Okay, so already installed here, so that's the reason. Just install here. Okay? Click on Python. Install here. Okay, there. That's like simple. Okay, and run this one. Okay, run Python in the file in the terminal. No Python interpreter selected. Okay, we'll make again. We'll make one more file. Okay. Okay. Visual Studio Code. We'll make another file. Actually, this is an old one. Just close it here. This one. Just a minute. and also we'll see minimal this time. Versatility, strong community and ecosystem. Yes, go ahead, get started. Okay, and file, open folder. It says Python new year. Yeah, recent one. Python new. Yeah, print hello. Select interpreter. Python is not installed. Install Python. Open. Yeah, I already installed Python. Mark done. Yeah. Okay. Just run on terminal. Okay, run Python file in terminal. No Python source Python extension. Okay, select Python. Reload. Just we have to reload it. Okay. Yep. Right. Okay, now run. Activating extensions. Okay. Wait minute. Okay, we have to save it. I think so. Yep. You're starting here. All result. Yes. Hello. Yeah, see. You got it here. Okay. Simple. Welcome to Python. Okay, save. Control is just run terminal. Okay, run. Okay, welcome to Python here. Okay, you can see it here. So like that, you have to install VS Code. Go to the extension here. Install Python here. Okay, go to the extension here. Okay, extensions. Search for Python and install it here. But before installing here, you have to install in the your Windows also. You have to install. Otherwise, it gives error. Okay, you have to install in the Windows as well as you have to install extensions in the Python in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, and this start practicing. Okay, simple using Visual Studio Code. You can practice Python program in the Visual Studio Code, or you can practice in hiding Python give, and also in command prompt also you can practice. Okay, so that's the small introduction. Okay, just theory part. Okay, what's the versions and what's the features, what is Python. Python is simple. What is Python means? Python is high level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability and versatility. And Python is a strong and dynamic type languages. Okay, Python is a strong and dynamic type languages. Remember, Python is a strong and dynamic type language. That's important one. Okay, Python is a high level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability and versatility. Okay, these are the features, and we have seen some popular use cases for machine learning. Mostly Python is nowadays Python is very famous because of the AI. Okay, because more libraries are used in the AI, that's the reason. And the scientific community, education, game development also we use the Python. These are versions, 3 versions are there, and we have seen the installations in the normal installation and also install extensions in the Visual Studio. Okay, so that's it. And the data types we will see in the next, variables and data types we will see in the next tutorial. Okay, so that's it.